Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Nay, Tay, happy wedding anniversary. Gusto ko pong i-congratulate kayong dalawa for this milestone and privilege, and I hope and pray na mas lalong tumibay pa ang inyong relationship, and may the Lord continue bless you with more wedding anniversaries to come. So, 25 years na kayong the correct answer is A, nagmamahalan. Gusto ko din po sanang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga tao na umattend ng wedding nila nanay at tatay, sa mga nag-support para i-prepare ang lahat na ito, from decoration to food preparation. At higit sa lahat, kay Lord, sa lahat-lahat ng blessings at binibigay niya sa inyong dalawa, to me and to my brothers as well. Nay, thank you po dahil wala kang katulad mag-alaga, pagiging masipag nyo at pagiging supportive na nanay at asawa kay tatay. Masarap magluto at bonus na yung maganda kayo. Tay, thank you din po dahil like nanay, hands-on din kayo, providing us with good wisdom and being a proactive leader to the family. Hindi man ako nandyan physically para makating ng wedding nyo. Babawi na lang ako once mag-reunion tayo sa Philippines end of year. In 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 7 to 8 says here, I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Now there is in store for me the crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will award to me on that day, and not only to me, but also to all who have longed for his appearing. Likewise, may the Lord keep the two of you faithful and loving to each other, and more importantly, to finish the race being faithful to our Lord. That's all. Thank you. Wow, ganda naman ni nanay ko. Wow, tatay. Oof. Okay. Okay. Lagi kayo. Nice. Love you, Tay, Nay, and enjoy this day. May the Lord continue bless you and our family. That's all. Thank you po.